stories to tell, echoes of a time we remember so well. Footsteps tracing where we belong, in every craft, in every song. Wood and stone, the sound of skill, hearts that work with patient will, generations passing it down. The soul of a village, strong and proud. Take a moment, look around. History lives in every sound, in every hand, in every line. A piece of you, a piece of time. Oh, these are the hands of Naxxar, shaping dreams from who we are, from the past to what will be, living roots for all to see. Oh, feel the pride, the work, the grace, written in every weathered face. This is more than just a day, it's our heritage on display. Lace so fine, threads of gold, stories woven, quietly told, tools that carved a life so true. Every trade a point of view, from fire's glow to steady hands, building future, shaping lands. Not just work, but love made real in every touch, in all we feel. Don't let these memories fade away, they're living proof of yesterday. And if we listen, we will find the strength of those who came behind. Oh, these are the hands of Naxxar, guiding hearts like shining stars. Every craft a voice so clear, telling us why we're still here. Oh, carry it on, don't let it fall. This living legacy belongs to us all, in every skill, in every way. Our past and future meet today. So walk these streets and understand, your story lives in every hand.
Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Just a reminder of my 3 books for those who are interested to learn Maltese. You can buy them from Amazon, or else I can send them to you via email. In the description you will find from where you can get them. Bye.